Hey everyone, Techni here, and what we have today is hunt for the perfect gaming mouse, mouse number 6. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified once we do find the perfect gaming mouse, because that's when we will be doing a giveaway and talking about how the enrollment for the giveaway will work. And we also have the rules right down there in the description if you want to just double check that. And the mouse we have here today is the Logitech G403. Is it the perfect gaming mouse? Let's go find out. So now we'll do our weight check, and our first check is going to be with the 10-gram weight out of the mouse. We're going to come in at 3.15 ounces and 90 grams. Alright, now with our weight in there, we get 3.55 ounces with 100 grams. So really nice weight. Alright, now a quick software rundown, which is really nice here. It'll tell you which device you have connected right here, which you have the mouse, you have onboard memory, so you don't need the software active. And over here, if you click this, you have automatic game detection, so you can save a profile per game. So like say if you fire up Call of Duty, it'll save whatever DPI and button configurations you have per game, and it'll just automatically detect it as you go through there. I don't use that. I just have all mine set in each game, but if you wanted it, it is there. Also over here you have your button customization, where you can adjust all your preset buttons, and your DPI, which you have 5 settings that you can adjust by your DPI button right there, which is nicely recessed in there, by the way. And you can adjust your DPI by increments of 50. Now over here you have your RGB settings, which you can adjust the color of your scroll wheel and then your logo in the back, some preset colors or your custom color. And right here you can choose logo or scroll wheel, so you can adjust them all to what you'd like, or just have them both set to the same. Fixed color, color cycle, or breathing effect. And then of course the rate and brightness, which is really nice. I love the minimal RGB on it, just a scroll wheel and that, which is really, it gives it a nice classy look, not some disco look. And over here you can do your surface tuning, which is just tune it to whatever mouse pad you're using. And right here, which I don't know why you'd use that, it's a little heat map. It tells you press it, it will record it and tell you which buttons you're pressing the most. So that's the software. Alright, now for a quick gameplay test. We're testing it here on Apex Legends, because I mean, why not? This game is absolutely awesome. If you haven't tried it yet, check out my video about it that I posted the other day. Such a fantastic game.
Good thing it's not us.
Let's see. So this game, this mouse, like I'm saying, this is a game because I'm just so like hooked on this game. It's so amazing. Anyways, but responsiveness, spot on. Button clicks right there. Oh, they see someone. It's really nice. Like I said, pretty nice in the hand. Slides really nice on the mat. Responsiveness, there he is. Got him. Alright, so Logitech G403. Wow, what a nice mouse. I mean, the buttons here, as you can see, they have the gap right in between them. Nice short clicks. I love the buttons up front here. They're separated from the mouse. It's not like you see a lot of mice where the buttons just go right within the whole rest of the body right there. These are actually separated, so really true clicks. I mean, the scroll wheels just feels so nice. It's nice and smooth. The DPI is hidden underneath there. The side grips are actually like a nice rubber. And again, that other cool thing, like we talked about in the beginning, is the removable weight that you just press in here, and then your weight's in there, so you can take it out, loosen the weight by 10 grams or have it in there. Which I think with it out, it's a little bit light in my opinion, but with it in there, it's pretty darn perfect. But now, I'm gonna let out my inner negative Nelly, right? So, what I don't like about it, number one, this is hands down the heaviest mouse cable I have used yet. Heavier than that Amazon one, thicker than the Amazon one. And don't get me wrong, when I'm getting in there playing, I kind of lose sight of it a little bit. But if it gets stuck on something, you truly feel it, because it's like, this sucker is big and heavy, right? My number 2 gripe, and this is the biggest one for me, the cable I think I could get over, but the back side here, as you can see, you can probably see it pretty good like that. You see how the front it goes out and then it comes in towards the back side, right? You can see it right there. And it's got a pretty nice shape. Like it almost feels like an egg in your hand, kind of, right? Because the top is fairly tall, so it kind of gets right into the palm of your hand. Or if you finger grip it, you got a little bit of a rest. But on the back, like it comes in here, so I felt my hand wrapping it, right? So if I come down here, you see as instead of it being kind of rested up here with some of the other mice I've used, the side of my hand would come down over it. And I honestly started feeling like a little bit of a, I don't want to say a cramp, that sounds a little dramatic, but a little bit of a pain or something just right here, right? For if you're playing for a long session. If you're just on there for a quick little session, I don't think you really notice it. But after a while, like I said, your hand's starting to wrap the backside and you feel it over here. So I'd highly recommend this if you have like small or medium hands. I mean, this thing would be a stinking gem. Like this thing is awesome. It's built good. It feels solid. It's super cozy. The buttons are fantastic. This, I honestly thought was going to be our winner. I really did. But, I mean, like I said, I can get over the cord. But that back thing right there, after playing for a decent session, I mean, I had to, go off and shake my hand out. Alright, so all in all, Logitech G403, winner of Perfect Gaming Mouse? No. But holy smokes was this guy close. Like, I'd have to say this is the best mouse we have used yet. Right? Super solid build. Minimalistic RGB, which is pretty nice. The button press is fantastic. It's just, I could get over that cord. Everything else is so good on this thing. The weight adjustment. But again, that back grip right there is such a killer for me. And your hands may be different. So please take this review with a grain of salt, because this mouse might be perfect for you. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I highly appreciate it. Hunt for the perfect gaming mouse, mouse number 6. If you'd like to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for some future videos. Hey, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.